Hello everyone, welcome to Fun Cooking with Knox. Hey, guess what? I am going to show you today where I get our fresh vegetable. So my in-laws are actually growing a garden at our backyard, and today I am going to give you a tour, and we're gonna find out what kinds of different kinds of vegetables that we grow in our backyard. Are you ready? Let's go. So guys, I am going to show you where exactly in our backyard. So I have a big slope down hill, and that they put our garden at the bottom of the hill. I'm going to show it to you, okay? So at the bottom of the hill, that's our garden, and I'm going to take you down there, okay? Let's go. All right, so we are going downhill. So excited. This is actually an exercise, just going downhill over here. It's a slope. So as you can see, from there to here is their garden, and currently right now they're outside working. Alright, there's my father-in-law. He is working on his garden. So here we go. So we're gonna say hi to them first. Say hi. Hello. Hello. That's my father-in-law. All right, so and then here's my mother-in-law. She's wearing her sarok. So unsa man ni diri pa?
Saluyot.
Saluyot. So this is saluyot. We have so much saluyot. And this one is unsa man ni ma? Eggplant. And guess what, guys? We got, what is this? Kamonggay. Look how many kamongays we have. Yes. Yeah, look at that. How many trees are, we have so many trees of kamonggay. What do you call horseradish, I guess? And over here is batong. Eggplants. Look. Yes, look at that. We got so many eggplants, guys. It's so cool. And over here, we got more kamonggay. Oh, look at this rows of kamonggay. Yes, and over here, this is batong, green long beans. Look how healthy this string beans. Yes, these are string beans. Here's one. Look at that, and that's so cool. Oh, and over here is bitter melon. So look how big is this bitter melon. Yeah. Look at this. We're going inside. Look at that, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're still baby, but oh my word. Look. They actually put a little thing so that the string beans can just hang. Look at that. Oh my word. How many trees of string beans man ma? I mean, pila man ni ka punuan? There's 40 of this, like 40 of little plants, I guess. Yeah, and this is our ampalaya, and in the middle they put saluyot again, and that's so cool. So we got one that's huge. Here you go, guys, and so pretty. All right, so when we go this side, what's over there? What's man diri pa? Oh, we got kalabasa. Oh, we got another set of, here we go. So on the other side is kalabasa. That's a yellow squash. You can see there's like yellow squash over there. Okay.
Spinach, red spinach.
And over here we have red spinach, alugbati. Oh, and that's so cool. We grow our own alugbati, guys. Yes, we are in the States and we are planting our Filipino. And this is, what is this, jalapeno? Look at that. We got our own sili. Yes. Sweet pepper, Nima? Oh, cool. And over here, our tomato, our ramen tomatoes. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Oh, look at that. And over here, he said, we got sweet potato. Asamang sweet potato. Oh, this one is sweet potato. So naami kamuting kahoy. Asa may sweet potato? Kamuting potato sa may Bisaya ana. In English ba? Kamuting kahoy?
No.
Hala, kaila mo ani guys. Kangkong. We have our own kangkong. Chinese kangkong. Yeah, look at that. And on this section, we have our own okra. This is an okra tree. They're still little, but they are growing. And this one over here, guys, on this section is kalabasa. Look at those kalabasa. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at it. There's one more over there. Cool, cool.
20 pieces.
I have so much fun just showing all of this to you guys. And their harvest today. These are their harvest today. I guess we're making utang today. Yeah. And that's another sili. Yeah, and another kamonggay. We got so many kamonggay. And over here, guys, is lemongrass. See this lemongrass? There's 47 of this lemongrass, and they save this one because they use this one for their lechon. Yes. Oh, this is such a good show, isn't it? Showing all our vegetables. And this guy and that woman made this one possible because they're over here every day. All right, and that's our backyard, back deck, I guess, back house. And also, guys, this is our grapes, so it's not producing. Oh, we got some grapes. Look at that. Yeah, wow.
And
There's a bunch of there too. Yeah, look at that. We got some. Is this green grapes pa or kwan? The black nisha? Oh, this is a black grapes. Oh, and that's so cool. All right. Okay, this here is Thai basil. So they planted this one at the bottom of our deck. So this is Thai basil. Look at this. Oh, they smell so good. And those are mints. We have so much mints over here in our house. Everybody loves mints in this house. And then we got our jalapeno. There you go. Or I don't know what they call that. It's pepper. And over here we have rows of kamonggay. Look at this. We got rows of kamonggay. And this one over here, my father-in-law said that it's opo. Why? Tabiyayong. He said tabiyayong. I don't know what's that, but he said it's tabiyayong. So he just let it climb in the tree over here. All right. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining with me, and I hope you have a good time touring our little garden. Yeah, not little. This is a bit too much for me, too much work for me. So but they're doing great. All right. Y'all have a blessed day. Goodbye.